Do you want to eat sandwich so bad, but you don't like veggies, or you don't have money to get all those veggies and put in your sandwich? No problem, I got you. So, all you need to do is to get a bowl, add your eggs to the bowl. So, I'm going to be using 3 eggs for this video, and you can add your black pepper and add your spicy pepper if you want it spicy. Then you add your salt to it also. If not, you can just get a bowl, add your eggs to the bowl, and then add your salt to the bowl. Then you mix. That is all. But if you have other ingredients you feel like adding to it, no problem. If not, just do it this way. Next, you get your bread and you remove the sides of your bread. Make sure to remove every corner, every sides of the bread. So today's sandwich is going to be super easy, soft, and fluffy. We're not using much ingredients, just egg, salt, bread, and bama. If you don't want to use bama, you can use butter. But I would advise you use bama because have you tried eating bread and egg with bama, like without toasting it? I'm talking of without toasting it. The taste is, oh my goodness, I don't even know how to explain, but you need to go and try your bread this way. This time around, you don't need any veg. I've done so many sandwich video, and most of them we used different veg, carrot and all of that. But this one is just the egg and the bread with bama to like make the taste different. So get your pan, you add oil or butter to the pan, and then you add your egg to the pan. So for this video, the egg has to be omelette in omelette form. So you make sure your egg is in omelette form. So you add your egg to the pan, and once the back is ready, you just flip over. And once that side is also ready, you can just fold it and remove it from the pan. So it is the omelette version of egg we're using, not scrambled. Like I said, it has to be omelette. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done. Also, after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell and always look out for our notifications because we post every day. So feel free to come to our channel every day to check out our videos, the ones you like and the ones you would want to see. Let us know. Now, when the egg is ready, you get your bread. And like I said in the beginning or in the middle of the video, I said we're going to be using mayonnaise here, Bama. So you can add mayonnaise to your bread. Make sure to add mayonnaise to both breads. That's one you use in covering the bread and the main bread you put the egg on top. Make sure you add mayonnaise to all of them. Now, after adding mayonnaise to all of them, you just add your egg to the middle. This time around, we're not frying the bread, we're not toasting the bread, we're not baking the bread, we're not doing anything to the bread. The bread has to be 100% soft. So we just add the egg to the middle of the bread and then you cover. And then you can cut to any shape of your choice, guys. This is delicious. This is simple. This is easy. Like, this is super simple. You have just bread and egg in the house. You don't have other stuffs. No problem. Try your sandwich this way, and you would thank me. Like, you would thank me a million times because this is super yummy. Anyways, thanks for watching. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. This is super delicious. Like, you can see the way I'm just eating it and eating it and eating it because yeah, it is super delicious. So hope to see you on all of our videos. Bye. Have an amazing day. Let us know what other sandwich recipe or food recipe you want to see on our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.